Hi everyone, I'm Kurt Ivan Banyaga. Today, I want to share a short reflection about something very important, the sacredness of human life. As human beings, we often forget how precious life is. But from a Christian perspective, we believe that every life has dignity, value, and purpose, no matter a person's age, status, or situation. In the Bible, we read in Genesis chapter 1 verse 27 that God created mankind in his own image. This simple line reminds us that every person reflects God's love and creativity. Because we are made in the image of God, life becomes more than just existence, it becomes sacred. The Catholic Church also emphasizes this in the Catechism of Catholic Church, which teaches that human life is sacred because it involves the creative action of God. That means yes, every person is worthy of respect, compassion, and protection. I think the sacredness of life isn't only about big actions. It starts with small things. Showing kindness, respecting others, choosing compassion over judgment, and valuing people even when the world doesn't. In the world full of noise, hatred, and division, let us be instrument of peace. Let us choose to honor life, our own, and the lives of others because God sees each of us as valuable and irreplaceable. Thank you for watching. I hope this short vlog reminds you that your life and the life of everyone around you is sacred. Let's continue to spread love, respect, and care in everything we do.